every plant in its splendor, every bird that sings so sweetly in the trees, the sound of the gentle wind that blows and rattles the leaves, the quietness that prevails even in the midst of the rattling, and the beautiful noise of the singing birds, they all reveal one thing: the excellence of a loving Creator.
On this day,
I give you my heart.
As for you, my love, every time I look at you, all of your poise and grace, all of your beauty and inner strength,
my promise
that I will walk with you,
all of your charm and sexiness,
wherever this journey will lead us,
hand in hand,
all of your wisdom and kindness. I am reminded of how much this awesome Creator loves me, for He has given me the best of the best, the very best of the best. So, take my hand, dance with me, move with me, rock with me. Let us start a rhythm that will last forever. There's no one else I'd rather dance with today. I'll be your dance partner for the rest of our lives. And together, we will make this dance last forever. This dance is gonna last forever. You and I